Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. So if you haven't figured this out already, I love BMWs. Specifically, I love the F30. I think it is one of the most amazing platforms, especially for mods. If you want carbon grills, you got it. You want a carbon hood, you got it. If you want to do a flash tune, customize it, you got it. If you want to do pure turbos, exhaust, roll cages, carbon fiber galore, wheels, whatever you want to do, you can do to this car. The way it drives is amazing. The way it shifts is amazing. I have very few things that I don't like about this, but there's one thing that drives me absolutely nuts.
Dude, did you just stop?
No, it's auto start stop. It's so annoying. If you're not familiar with auto start stop, basically it's technology that they're putting in modern day cars, all F Series BMWs and lots of other cars around the world as well, where when you're in stop and go traffic, it tries to save you fuel. So when you put your foot on the brake, you come to a complete stop, it's going to temporarily just power down the motor. Now the rest of your car is going to stay on, just the motor to try to help save fuel. Now the IIHS is saying that this technology alone can save you between 3 and 10% in fuel costs. Now, it's kind of hard to believe, but if you're in somewhere like New York City or whatnot, where there's constant stop and go, you could probably save some fuel, but there's a couple things that I don't like about it. First, I feel like people think that I'm stalling when I do that. Second, I feel like it's harder on the starter. I realize that the starters in these cars are most likely made to be able to withstand all of that starting, but it's just not something that I really care for. So today, we're gonna show you how to code it out the easiest way with Carly. Now, Carly is incredibly easy to use. So basically what you're going to need is this dongle. Looks just like this. It's going to plug into your OBD2, and you need a mobile phone, whether it be an Android or an Apple. Now today I'm going to show you how to use it with an iPhone. So all you need to do, just take your Carly device, find your OBD2, and plug it in. Next, what we need to do is just put your car in accessory mode, so just press your start stop button just one time. Next, go into your Wi-Fi settings, and you're going to find one that says Carly adapter, and you're going to simply connect to that. There's no passwords, super easy to connect. Next, download and launch the Carly app. This is the main interface that you're going to find with Carly. So in the top left, we have diagnostics. So if you have a check engine light, it's a great place to check it out. If you're buying a used car, you can do a scan to see if the mileage was tampered with, or there's a lot of different features you can get with that. Today, we're really going to focus on the coding. So what we need to first do is select our car. So at the bottom left, we need to find F30. So here we go, 3 Series, and I have an F30. Mine is gasoline. Mine's a 2013. Then what you do at the bottom right is you just hit connect. It's going to take a second, and it's going to connect to your car. All right, at this point, everything is securely connected. We can hit the OK button. Now that everything's connected, we're going to hop over to coding. And then at the bottom, it's going to say check coding possibilities. Now, once we get in here, you're going to see a list of all of the different ECUs that you can code. We're going to go into the FEM module, which is the front electronics module. Here we can see a brief description of all of the different ECUs and basically what's involved. So Koni, that's more like heads-up display and whatnot. You have your FEM, which is what we're going to be doing, which is engine start-stop, has to do with the seat heaters, some comfort features and whatnot. Then you just have a variety of other modules. We're going to cover some of these in other videos. Today, we're going to go into the FEM module. So you hit FEM, and it's going to say read out FEM. We're going to hit that. Now, while you're waiting, what it's doing is it's generating a backup. So if anything was to ever go wrong, you can always revert it. So it's ultra safe to use. All right, and as you can see, our backup is successfully created. Right at the top here, we can see our auto start stop. Now, what I'm going to do is I am going to code on for the auto start stop automatic memory. So basically, what that's going to do is whatever setting I leave it off in. So if the day before I have auto start stop disabled, when I get in the car the next time, it's going to remember that and it's going to keep it off. This way, every time I get in the car, I don't have to manually turn it off. So I selected on, and then at the bottom, I'm going to hit code now. Check that box and hit OK. All right, at this point, everything is coded. What I like to do now, just kind of like when we do boot mode, I like to turn off the car for about 20 or 30 seconds or so, and then we'll fire the car up and we'll test it out. Now, if you have an F Series BMW, when you start your car, it's going to default so the auto start stop is engaged. Now watch this. So as you can see, I have auto start stop off. I'm going to turn off the car. Turn it off fully. And then when I restart the car, as you can see, it's already off. So that way, you don't have to start your car and then hit the button and start the car and hit the button. It's just seamless and it works great. And as you just saw, that is how quick and easy it is to code your car with Carly and get rid of the most annoying feature of F Series BMWs. If you are interested in Carly for your car, be sure to see the link in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.